Yes, what's going on, guys? My name is Diane. Welcome to Speedlearn YouTube channel. Uh, I'm starting a new Django crash course for 2024 for absolute beginners. But before we jump into the real Django projects, and let's just first talk about what virtual environment is. So, virtual environment, take it as like environment where you can install your dependencies, and like let's say you have so many Python projects that or other projects which you are doing on your computer. You don't want to have install all the packages in the global environment, so you want to create an environment where the specific uh, packages that you're going to use for that project, you want to install them in that particular environment. So that's where a virtual environment comes in. So you create a virtual environment, then you install all the packages that you need in that specific virtual environment. So let's see how we can do the virtual environment, how we can create virtual environment. So you want to open your command line. You can use git bash command line or PowerShell. So for my preference, I prefer to use git bash. So I open my git bash. Then I navigate to where I want to create the folder. So let me say I'm gonna go to desktop. CD stands for change directory. Then the desktop is the desktop location where I'm going to create the folder for creating the virtual environment. Okay. Then I need to create a folder where I can get the virtual environment in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say mkdir and the folder that where I want to create the virtual environment. I'm going to say Django project. Yes. Now yeah, let's see what we have now. We have created the Django project folder. Then we want to create the virtual environment inside the project of the Django folder. Okay, in other terms, we have created, we have created the Django project folder. Then we want to create the Django project virtual environment inside the folder of Django project. So I guess you do understand that if you see the directory here, you can see we're on desktop, then we are in the folder called Django project. Okay, now let's create the virtual environment. To create virtual environment, you want to type a command called Python -m then the virtual environment name. Then for my case, I can call it nv, or you can call it anything. If you call it John, if you call it Jog, let me say, if you call it John, then it's going to be John. If you call it Diane, if you call it Diane, it's going to be Diane. So for my case, I'm just going to call it Verb again. So that's my name of my virtual environment. So if I hit enter, then I'm going to see my virtual environment is going to be created. But if you're using Linux, you might type Python 3 and then -mv so that you can create it. But now let me list what is there in the virtual environment in the project folder. You can see the name of the virtual environment env is now there. But to activate this, we can go and type here the command line. I'm going to say dot. I'm going inside the virtual environment, the script file, and then the activate file. And then this will activate my virtual environment. So now you can see virtual environment name is here. Then we see it's here, and then you can, that's when you know your virtual environment is activated. So that's it for this video. So the next video we shall be having first Django project setup, and we'll continue from there. So please, if you like this video, please consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell next time, then you'll be notified, and like the video. Thank you. This is Speedlearn.